Alicia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a raindrop cake. A raindrop cake is a delicious dessert made of water and agar and it's popular in Japan. In a pan and 1 cup of water. Bring it to high flame and add 1 tablespoon of agar-agar. Stir it until all agar-agar dissolves. After your water starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. After your sugar dissolves, boil the water for 2 minutes. Fill a large bowl with some cold water and place a small bowl inside it. I'm going to be adding a cherry to my raindrop cake. You can be creative and add any fruit of your choice. This part is optional. Pour the mixture in your bowl. Chill for 1 hour. Our delicious raindrop cake is ready. You can eat this delicious treat all by itself or you can add some brown sugar. So delicious! Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!